Today we're going to send ourselves on a journey. We're going to go on a nature trail. So lie down, find yourself a comfortable position, either with the knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, or if your back feels okay, you can stretch the legs away, or you can also do this seated in a chair. We'll start by making a connection with the breath, flowing in and flowing out. Just feel your tummy softly rising and falling. We're going to visualise that we can feel the warmth around the navel centre. Imagine sunlight energy pouring into the centre so that it becomes alive with energy. Let this energy flow in and out, giving and receiving of pure energy. Let's start our nature trail. We're visualising ourselves on a stony path. As we stand on these stones, we just feel every little movement under our feet, the dust, the colour, the texture. We gradually walk along this path, being aware of the sounds around us, the sounds under our feet. We come to an archway, we can see the blue sky, and we start to hear birds in the distance. We gradually start to walk through this beautiful stone archway into and the beginning of our nature trail. We see plants. We can hear the birds. We see the textures. We look around us. We notice the shapes, beautiful shapes of the plants around us, stars, circles. We notice how the plants assemble themselves. Different shapes they make on our nature trail. We see the little white daisies, the pinky purple centres, opening, smiling at the sun. We see more exotic plants, beautiful textures. We see flowers that almost look like wax, like candles, absolutely perfectly formed. Like little stars amongst the green. We see flowers like rosettes, the pinks, the purples, the greens, the oranges, all the colours merge together. So beautifully made. We notice tiny flowers, rockeries plants, low to the ground amongst the dense green leaves. And tiny, fluffy fern-like structures gently blow in the breeze. Soft, yellow flowers, bright yellow, like the sunshine. We walk now through another archway. We look through and we can see the landscape beyond. Stone mirroring and framing all that is beyond. Pinks and grey stone and grasses. Now we come to the carob tree, over 1,000 years old, its gnarled branches. This wise old tree, see its roots, beautiful, old, perfect shapes. We look up into the carob tree and see the pods softly, loosely hanging there. How wise this old tree is. We continue our journey now past the beautiful exotic flowers. Dark green leaves. We see some stone steps and gradually we start to walk now up these stone steps. The sun is warm, but we feel shaded by the trees. Find a little cave. We take shelter from the hot sun. See the stones and an old urn that has been left in the corner from many years ago. It is cool and dark, and light filters through the small gaps in the stonework. Light streams in. Once again outside, we're aware now of the bright sun, the bright yellow flowers. Soft, growing from the stone around us. We notice the stone structures built many, many years ago. And from them sprout these beautiful little flowers, here, there and everywhere. No need for them to struggle as they gently grow out of every crack and crevice. Pinks, yellows, enjoying the blue sky above. Touch the stone now and notice all the shapes where the wind, the sun and the rain has weathered over time. The beautiful patterns it creates. We find the path again with all the stones along the side. We see some beautiful flowers. We look out across the landscape, the old walls, the greenery, all the flowers along our path, pinks and purples, colours of nature. Smiling and shining at us. We're ready now to return back to our physical body. We're filled with sunlight now around our lower tummy area, pouring energy from our sunny nature trail into our bodies, revitalizing. Enjoy this feeling now, coming back to your physical body and back to the breath. Breathing in, breathing out. We notice ourselves back to our natural surroundings. We're aware once again of being right here, right now. Very slowly opening the eyes.